Have you ever imagined living a whole day without your phone? Sounds impossible, right? Today, we will follow a simple story about that. You may feel surprised, but maybe you will also feel inspired. Hello, everyone, and welcome to King English Podcast. Let's begin. Tom walked into the room with a worried face. Ashley looked at him and said, "Tom, you look upset. What's wrong?" Tom, "Ashley, I have a big problem." Ashley leaned closer. "Okay, tell me. What happened?" Tom shook his head slowly. "I went outside, and I forgot my key." Ashley's eyes widened. "You forgot your key? Oh no." "Yes," Tom said. "I closed the door, and now the key is inside." Ashley, "So you locked yourself out?" "Yes," Tom said, his voice full of frustration. "I locked myself out." But that was not the end of his problem. "It gets worse," Tom added. Ashley frowned. "Worse? What do you mean?" "My phone is also inside," Tom said. Ashley's mouth opened in shock. "No key and no phone?" "Exactly," Tom nodded. "I can't open the door. I can't call anyone." Ashley thought for a moment. "What about your roommate?" "He won't come back until tonight," Tom explained. "Very late." Ashley looked at him seriously. "So, you can't go inside until tonight?" Tom, "Yes. What should I do now?" Ashley tried to cheer him up. "Well, you have a free day now." "Free day?" Tom asked. "I feel nervous. No phone, no key. I feel lost." "Don't worry, Ashley. Maybe this is a good thing." Tom blinked. "A good thing? Really?" "Yes," Ashley nodded. "You can try one day without a phone." Just then, Ashley noticed something. "Look, the bus is coming now." "Good," Tom said. "I was getting nervous." "Why nervous?" Ashley asked. "Because without my phone, I don't know the time," Tom explained. Ashley nodded. "Yes, no phone means no clock." "Right," Tom agreed. "I usually check the bus time on my phone." "Today you will learn another way," Ashley smiled. "Another way?" Tom asked. "Yes," Ashley pointed. "Just look at the bus stop sign." "Look at the bus stop sign," Tom repeated. Ashley nodded. "Now, let's get on the bus." "All right," Tom said. "Let's get on." Ashley whispered, "Say this. 1 ticket to the library, please." Tom repeated carefully, "1 ticket to the library, please." "Perfect," Ashley smiled. "Now take the ticket." Tom nodded. "Got it." They looked around the bus. "Where should we sit?" Tom asked. "Here or near the window?" Ashley asked. Tom smiled. "I like the window seat." "Okay," Ashley agreed. "Let's sit near the window." They sat down together. Tom looked around and whispered, "Wow." "It feels strange." "Strange? Why?" Ashley asked. "Because everyone is on their phone," Tom explained. "But I have no phone." Ashley looked around too. "Yes, many people just look at their phones." "I feel nervous," Tom admitted. "What should I do?" "Look outside," Ashley suggested. "Look outside?" Tom repeated. "Yes," Ashley said. "Look at the trees." Tom turned to the window. "Okay. Oh, nice view." Ashley smiled. "Better than a small screen, right?" "Yes," Tom said softly. "Better than a small screen." "See," Ashley added. "Without a phone, you can see the world." "See the world," Tom whispered. "I like that." "And you can also talk to me," Ashley laughed. Inside the library, Tom looked around in wonder. "Look," he said. "So many books on the shelves." "Yes," Ashley nodded. So many. Tom looked nervous. I don't know where to start. Let's find something about cooking, Ashley suggested. Cooking? In the library? Tom asked, surprised. Yes, Ashley smiled. There are books for everything. Everything? Tom repeated. You mean also cooking? Yes, Ashley said. Cooking, travel, history, everything. Wow, Tom whispered. Not only novels. That's new for me. Ashley pulled a book from the shelf. Here, let me take one book down. Tom nodded. Okay. One book about cooking, Ashley said. They walked to a table by the window. Nice table, Tom said. The sunlight is warm. Yes, Ashley agreed. It feels comfortable. Comfortable? Tom asked. You mean good and easy? Exactly, Ashley said. Good and easy. All right, Tom smiled. I like this comfortable place. Ashley opened the book. Now, look at this page. It explains a recipe. Recipe, Tom repeated. That's a plan for food, right? Yes, Ashley nodded. A plan for food. A recipe. Okay, Tom said. I want to read the recipe slowly. Ashley smiled. Good idea. Tom looked around and said, This is nice. I can read without my phone. See? Ashley said. Books can give full information. Full information, Tom repeated. Not just small pieces, right? Not small pieces, Ashley agreed. Full and clear. Tom took a deep breath. I feel calm. Very calm. Yes, Ashley whispered. The library makes you calm. Tom smiled. Now I enjoy reading. I really enjoy it. That's great,